Okay, so we are doing the outer and inner tie rods on a Renault Master. Okay, so this is how they would normally fit in there, like that. So we've used a load of penetrated fluid in there, this RP90 tool station. Give it a few knocks on there to loosen it, and it's just dropped out. This was so seized that we couldn't take it out. It was just horrendous. Because we're doing the inner ones, because you can see how that's moving around like that, like an idiot. We've just cut it in half, and what we'll do, we'll line it back up with the new one and the old one. Now, to remove this, you need a 21mm socket, and you will need a breaker bar because it's tight. Just keep putting plenty of that on there, that'll loosen that. Okay. This one here is a 13mm. Again, if you need to loosen it and you just want to do the out, it's a 13mm, but even when we're taking this out, seized in here. So the moral of the story is, if you need to just replace the outer tie rod, you're going to have to do the inner one as well, because it will be so seized in there you can't detach it from the inner one. When you're replacing the outer ones, there's 2 marks. This one's got 2 on it, so it's for the side with the 2 on, and the replacement's the same. Two.
Near side.
And the other side has 1 on it.
Yeah, near side. That's
basically it. This gaiter goes all the way in there and slips over. Make sure before you take it off. In fact, this is the most difficult bit to get off, to be honest. The split bit will sort that. Is that we just sprayed some lubricant in there and just put a screwdriver around it. Make sure the vehicle's safely jacked. Right. Inner tie rod. There's all these specialist tools about, etc., to get these off. Okay. Now watch this. Might stop, not yet. Basically this just screws in here. At some point it's going to come out. There we go. Right, you feel some washers at the end as you're undoing it with your hand. Keep them on, because you need to put new ones on the new inner tie rod. Let's get it right out. Just stay with me for this bit, okay? So that's all these washers on here. We've got these replacement too. Now, this is a plumber's tap wrench. About 14 quid, available from Screwfix. And it's undone them without any trouble at all, and it extends. Say that might have been about 23 quid this one. But then you've got something you can use for your taps. It does inner tie rods. It's available tool station Screwfix. Yeah. Simple tool, really easy to undo. So
keep it down, because obviously
I don't know why you need all this specialist tooling. So plumber's wrench, you can see it like that. Yep, it's normally for taps. Okay, so we'll do this in bits. We've got a new one here. You'll see these washers. These washers are crucial. They've got to go back on. Word of warning, we bought a new one of these and these were missing. I guess you could use the old ones. The basic now, all we've got to do is take those washers out of there. See how tight that is there? See how loose that is?
So that's the old one, and that moves
that's
like...
just like gone, yeah.
I don't know. Yeah.
Just had it stay as
and then the new one is stiff, which is what it should be.
Yeah.
And the outer tie rod is exactly the same. It moves like
so
that.
what I'm going to do in a minute is just put these washers back on as I take them off here, and reassemble it, and then we'll come back to you in a little bit.
So that's how to remove the inner tie rod.
Inner and outer tie rods on a Renault Master.
Yeah, with that type of tool.
Easy.
Or something similar to that, but you can do it.
Yeah.
Right, thanks for watching.